Hi, I'm Barbecue Bob with the Barbecue Guru. I'm here with Katie.
Hey guys.
It's pumpkin season.
It's my favorite season.
All right, we're gonna make a dessert bread, pumpkin bread today. We're gonna do it right on the grill. This is gonna be fantastic.
Okay.
All right, so the first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take a cup and a half of white sugar, and then we're gonna take a stick and a half of butter, okay? So
softened butter.
Softened butter, correct. And because it's easier to blend. So there's our half stick. That's how I measure.
It's good enough.
I'm a barbecue guy.
Yeah, good enough.
And here's our full stick. Put that in, and you're gonna add the sugar.
Yep.
Throw that in the trash.
Okay. There we go. Sugar's in.
We'll take the hand mixer.
Oops.
Make sure you get it all. Baking is precise. So they say.
Yeah.
And we'll mix this around. Now, as we mix this and blend it together, we're going to add in 2 eggs. So do you want to crack those eggs and just blend them for me?
Yeah. Good?
Yeah, looks good. So just slowly add those in.
Slowly.
Slowly. That's good. Now, I'll whip this for a few minutes until it gets kind of light and fluffy.
Yeah.
And then once it does, then we're going to add all these other ingredients in. We have some flour, we have canned pumpkin, nutmeg, cinnamon. What else do we have? Ground clove. What else is in there?
We have baking powder,
baking soda,
and a little
salt.
salt.
Perfect. A couple more minutes on this.
Okay.
Then we'll add in the flour and the pumpkin. Let's do the pumpkin next.
Okay. Are you ready?
Yeah, let's go.
Should I wait in?
No. Now at this point in the game, it may look a little curdled, but that's okay. Just gonna keep blending, keep blending. And the next thing we'll do, like another minute or two, then we'll add the flour and thicken it up, and then we'll add all these great flavors.
Perfect.
Okay, we can start slowly adding the flour.
Okay.
Good?
Good?
Yep, keep going. All right, hold on a minute. Just so we don't get flour all over us.
Count on you.
Yeah, it's all over anyway. Okay, you can add the rest in.
All right.
Great. Keep blending this. That's why it's good to have 2 people, because one person can keep blending and the other person can add the ingredients.
Yeah, and it's more fun.
Exactly.
Woo!
Crank this up.
Oh God.
See how it's starting to look more doughy now?
It looks delicious.
Yeah. All right, now you can add the cinnamon and the nutmeg. Perfect. Yep, and get the ground cloves in there. This will give it a nice spicy fall flavor. And then don't forget our baking soda, baking powder, and a little bit of salt.
Powder.
Yep.
And salt.
Perfect.
Nice and easy.
Yep. Now we'll blend this a little bit more. Make sure we get all those flavors together. And then, once I stop this, we'll talk about spraying the pan.
Yeah.
No, there's no vanilla in this.
Oh.
Listen, put some vanilla in there. I don't care.
Okay.
Go ahead, put a little in. Just a little bit.
I'm going to. Oh, it's not even open.
Oh, Jesus.
You want me to open it?
Yeah. Fill in. All right, good. I mean, when you're baking, a little vanilla never hurts anything. I think vanilla should be in everything.
I agree, Bob.
Okay. Perfect. Now,
Wow.
we're going to slowly bring that up so we don't get it all over the place.
Oh my God,
Awesome.
that looks so good.
Let's taste this. Pumpkin-y.
And a
Spicy.
little bit of vanilla.
Oh my God, that's good. It's really good.
That is really good.
All right, so the next thing we're going to do is we're going to grease the loaf pan. Now, this recipe does 2 loaf pans, so you're going to get 2 breads out of this.
Perfect.
Yeah, so spray that down. And you want to get all in the corners, all the way up the sides.
Oh, I'm going to get everything.
Okay.
Good?
Yep. And then, okay, next we will put this into the pan. So here's a spoon.
Thank you.
I'll hold the bowl up. Now you're going to put half of this batter into that pan.
Yes. Half of this, Bob. Half. Am I not going fast enough?
No, I'm just looking to see what half is. That's about right.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Good?
Yeah. Okay, so that's good.
That's good?
Yep. And then what we're going to do is we'll fill the other loaf pan.
Yeah.
And then we have the grill set to 325 degrees. So, and I have a pizza stone in there. So we're cooking indirect 325. There's charcoal, no smoke wood, because we're not trying to get smoke on this.
Right.
We're just trying to get the natural flavors from the charcoal, clean burning charcoal. And that'll be in there for about 55 minutes to an hour. We'll pull it out, we'll let it rest. Once it rests, we'll slice it. We have a nice little spread for it, and we'll give it a try. Okay, Katie, so we let the pumpkin bread cool for about 25, 30 minutes. It's warm to the touch, but it's not hot. And now we're ready to kind of pop it out. So this is the moment of truth.
All right.
We did run a little knife around the edge, make sure the edges are fine. So now we're gonna take this and we're gonna flip it. You want me to do it?
Yep.
Okay.
Show me how it's done. I think you got it.
I think we got it.
Yay!
Excellent. Oh, we left a little bit.
Oh, it's okay.
It's all right. So we'll flip this over and we'll slice it up. And I made this spread for it that was inspired me. My wife makes it when she makes pumpkin roll.
Oh my gosh.
So it's powdered sugar, cream cheese, and a little bit of pumpkin filling.
Yeah.
It's delicious, and it just adds a nice little touch to this, like an icing.
I believe it.
So we'll slice this. It's slicing nice. This is very moist. And that's what's nice is, you know, when you're grilling and smoking, you don't just have to think about main dishes like entrees.
Absolutely.
Think about casseroles, side dishes, desserts, appetizers.
Put in an oven.
Anything you put in an oven, we can do on here with the barbecue Guru Control.
That's awesome.
Okay. So we'll slice these up.
Take your sweet time, Bob.
I am. It's nice.
It is
All right.
beautiful.
What do you want to do? Half a piece?
Yeah.
Each?
Each.
We've been eating all day. All right, get a little topping on there.
Beautiful.
All right, here we go.
Hey, let's do it.
Cheers to pumpkin bread.
We
What?
almost did it at the same time.
Cheers to pumpkins and pumpkin bread.
Okay, cheers.
Happy fall. Wow.
That's amazing.
That really is amazing. Perfectly cooked. You can do anything on the grill or the smoker. Give it a try. Follow us at thebbqguru.com.
You'll love this.